I'm just a holy fool, baby, so cruel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. I miss you guys so much. It's been a whole year, bro, a whole year. But guess what, we back this season. We not playing no games. I came to show you guys this navy blue sultry look with a pop of glitter under the eye. I think this look is great for those summer night parties when you want to be the girl on the dance floor, with that pop of glitter under your eyes, you know, or some like Wonder Woman type stuff, some Harley Quinn type stuff, you know. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. You guys are all up in my grill. Can we just acknowledge the fact that my hair is freshly done, my nails done, my toes done, like, get into it, sis. Anyway, we're gonna start off priming our eyes with this e.l.f. concealer in the shade Light. I like it because it's thick. I like it to be really thick, you know, like my body. I'm gonna set that concealer with my Airspun loose finishing powder with a clean fluffy brush because we're gonna use this to blend out our eyeshadows. Now that our eyes are primed, we're gonna move on to this BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. It is their Modern Neutrals 28 color eyeshadow palette. So to start this look off, we're gonna actually hit this color right here in the pan. It may be a little dark to start off, but it's okay. We're gonna blend it out. It's gonna be fine. Just calm down. Have patience with this blending out because we didn't use a transition shade. Like, you know, usually a transition shade would be more of like an orangey tone, maybe something close to your skin color, but we just went straight in with the color. So just have a little patience. We're blending this out, but I promise you I'll blend out seamlessly. Now we're gonna hit this color right here to go into our actual crease. Have you ever been in love? Yeah. With something so perfect, something so worth it. Of course, you know I can't do a colorful tutorial without using my Morphe 35D. So if you can guess, I'm gonna go into this navy blue right here, and that's gonna be our lid shade. But you know I love it when we grind it, but it's deeper than the sex shit. My t-shirt and your sweat shit. No makeup on and don't take it wrong. That's when I think you look the best shit. If I'm right or wrong, would you ride along? I'ma put you to the test. So keep it 100 with me. Tell me if you really love me for me, or do you love who I'm becoming? Okay guys, I'm gonna come back in with the other eye finish and my face finish. If you guys want to see how I do my face, you guys can click the link in the description bar. I do have a video on my whole foundation routine, and I will be doing an updated one since that one's almost a year old. But that one's pretty similar to the one I have now. So if you want to check out and see how I do my foundation routine, you can check out that video in the description bar below. So we're going to hop straight back into the eyes, and we're going to hit this waterline area with some black liner. Now you can also do this look with, you know, the iconic white liner. That's Sis. We love us some white liner, and she will come in handy this summer. But I just wanted this look to be really smoky and like sultry. I feel like all my looks on this channel are just smoky and sultry and sexy, but I mean, I can't help it. I'm a smoky, sultry, sexy person. Okay. We're gonna take a flat brush just like this, just to blend out that bottom. The main purpose of this step is just to make sure the black and the blue are on the same page. You know, like we don't want them at different parties. We don't want them disagree. We don't want the black and the blue beefed out. We want them to be together. We want them to be friends. We want this look to be smoky, but at the same time we want it to just be a little fun. You know, like you're a party girl, but you can also get down with the get down, if you know what I'm saying, okay?
so, with something so, with something so, with something so, with something so, oh, control, like, you know.
Now, more in the inner corner, we're gonna use the same brand, backkkk.com, in the shade, or in the style Blue Veil. It's just like a really fat, flaked, like iridescent glitter. We're just gonna put her. We're just gonna plop sis closer to the inner corner. Not too much. Ring light. If you see, oh, it should have been on this side in the whole video. Anyways, what we're going to use to highlight our face here is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. And wait, why I'm looking so flashback? Cause sis not flashback. Sis don't have flashback. Why I'm looking so y'all not about to play me. Y'all not about to play me. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Off camera, oh no. Camera, I wasn't gonna apply lashes and lips, and I'm here to show you guys the finished look. I really enjoy doing this for you guys. I will be back to update you guys with any more with many more videos this summer. Be safe this Memorial weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.